Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create meme videos using Kapwing. Meme videos are short, funny, shareable clips that often combines video footages with text, sound effects or music. Kapwing is perfect for making meme videos because it's browser-based, easy to use and offers tools for adding text, stickers, audios and cropping videos as well, all without installing heavy software. So first, in order to do that, open any of the browser. In the top there's an address bar, type down kapwing.com and enter it. And under this interface, what you can do is you can simply create a new. Over here you can upload your media on the left hand side and it will automatically take you to the library and select one of the video or the photo that you want to put, and over here you can simply double click on it and drag it over here under this editing timeline. Over here what you can do is on the bottom there's a clip. You can also trim or cut the clip by simply dragging to this edges here and simply double click on this white line and you can click onto this split and it will also split it and you can delete the unwanted parts. On the left hand side you can find there's an option for the audio, subtitles, text. You can click onto this text here and type a caption, choose your font style, add your size, colors and drag the text as well. You can also add your music by clicking onto this audio here, select record, you can make it text to speech or you can also browse to the Kapwing music, and after that you can preview your meme video and you can export it in the top right corner, and after processing you can download to save the meme video to your PC. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.